Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to configure IP and MAC binding on a TP-Link Archer AX1500 Next-Gen Wi-Fi 6 router. Let's go start. First, connect your mobile or computer to the router and open a web browser, then log into the menu option with the administrator ID and password. In the router's main menu, click on Advanced in the top right corner. Then select Security from the left-hand menu. IP and MAC binding, click under Security option. Toggle the switch to enable IP and MAC binding. This is an ARP list, but unbinding. Choose a filtering mode. Enter the desired MAC address and IP address for the device you want to bind. Click Save or OK to create the binding. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click.